Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I got a bit busy, but I'm back now, and I've brought something amazing for you all. I'm giving you a complete mock-up pack for clothing brand designers. It includes t-shirts, hoodies, sweatpants, shorts, jackets, and even women's mock-ups. I've also added extra elements like zips and drawstrings that you can use on hoodies, pants, and other designs. First, download the file from the link in the first pinned comment below this video. You can open it in Adobe Illustrator. And if you don't have Illustrator, don't worry. I'll show you how to edit it online as well. When you open the file, you'll see all the mock-ups. We have around 20 t-shirt mock-ups, full sleeves, half sleeves, different styles. We have hoodie mock-ups, sweatpants, shorts, jackets, and women's mock-ups as well. Basically, a complete starter pack for your clothing brand designs. Editing these mock-ups is super easy, even if you're a beginner. Just select the mock-up you want. You can delete the background if you want a clean image. Now press Ctrl-C to copy it, open a new page, and paste it using Ctrl-V. Very important. When closing the original mock-ups file, do not save it. Just select No. That way, the original pack stays safe, and you only save the page where you made your custom edits. Now, let's customize your mock-up. To change colors, simply select the part you want and apply any color you like. To add your logo or design, paste it on the mock-up. Place it wherever you want, and while resizing, hold the Shift key and drag from the corner to keep the proportions correct. Now, if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, no problem at all. Just open your browser on your laptop or PC and go to Vectorpea.com. It works almost like Illustrator, but it's completely online and free. Open the PDF from the Mockups pack and follow the same steps. Select, edit, change colors, add your designs, and save only the page where you made your edits. And that's it. Very simple, very easy. In my next video, I'll show you how to create mock-ups in Photoshop, how to add distress effects, acid wash, vintage looks, and more. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll drop that Photoshop tutorial. If you need any help, just DM me on Instagram. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.